Hi there, John with Greenlight Property Management. Today we're here at 7312 Gaston Avenue in Fort Worth, Texas. Zip code here is 76116. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. It's 759 square feet. As you can see here, the outside of the house is newly remodeled, as well as the inside of the house. Same carpet, but everything else is remodeled, and I'll show you that when we go in there. So walking up to the house, you see you have this nice rock near the front porch. Got a replastered front porch here, so it's nice. And it looks really good. So we're gonna go inside and check out the inside. So as soon as you walk in, you have the living area, and it flows right here into the dining room. And let me get in the corner so you can take a better look. As you can see here, and that big window there looks into the backyard. We'll check out that here in a sec. Got the nice windows there looking out into the front yard. Brand new mini blinds on it. Fresh paint on all the walls, as well as the trim and everything associated with it. So you got carpet in here in the living. And then, like I said, it flows into the dining here, which has carpet. So next thing we're going to do is check out the kitchen area here. Got the new tile in here. The kitchen does come with a stovetop right there, oven range, so that's very nice. It also comes with a dishwasher over here to the right, as you can see. You got the new countertops on there. Pretty good space here. You can put the fridge over here. So it's a nice space here. Before we go into here, which is the laundry room, we're actually going to turn around and check out the bedrooms. So it's, like I said, 2 bedrooms. You have the hallway that flows right into both of the bedrooms and the bathroom there, as you can see. So here we got bedroom number 1. Brand new ceiling fan, mini blinds on all new, on the windows are brand new, and fresh paint on everything. So pretty good sized rooms for only having 2 rooms. And at the beginning of the video, I said 759 square feet, which is true. So when you actually come in the house, it seems a lot bigger than, about 800 square feet. So here's bedroom number 2. Same thing, brand new ceiling fan, fresh paint, brand new mini blinds, actually brand new windows throughout the house. So, and the bedrooms do have closets. Very nice. And then we're going to check out the hall bath. It's going to come with a vanity, nice toilet here, and a tub and shower area here. Window that outlooks into the backyard. Nice light fixture. So brand new vanity here. Little toilet area over here. So alrighty, next we're going to walk back in through here. And check out the laundry room. The laundry room is actually pretty cool in this house because you can close the kitchen off to it, or if you wanted to, you can kind of just leave this door open here, and if it flows right into the laundry room here. You see you got the brand new tile here, 3 windows, and you got the dryer hook up here and the washer hook up here. So this door leads into the backyard, and we'll check that out here in a sec. And then this door leads into the garage. So the garage door does work, and it also comes with the garage remote. So as you see here, you have a pretty good space. I would say this is for a 1-car garage. And then you have a little bit of driveway space here leading up into the yard. So you can fit about 2 or 3 cars in the driveway, 1 in the garage. So a good amount of space there. So next we're going to check out the backyard, which is very nice. You have a little patio area here, as you can see. Almost a little wooden bench here that serves as a a seat or a bench. Good sized backyard. We will be cutting the grass, so it looks a little high right now, so it will be cut. One thing that's a really nice addition to this backyard is the shed here, and it's empty, so you can use it you know, as whatever kind of space. You have some shelving in here, and so it's a pretty good storage area. And the sliding doors do close. You know, if you wanted to, you could also lock that up there too, so for safekeeping. But like I said, the grass is high. But let me turn around so you can get a better view of the house. It is a good sized backyard. As you can see, I'm a pretty good distance from the house, and I'm not even backed all the way up to the chain link. So this is the marketing video for 7312 Gaston Avenue in Fort Worth, Texas.